Today we're reviewing the Christy Wright Business Boutique 2020 Goal Planner. I did do her 2019 Goal Planner and I just wanted to check out the 2020 to see if it was any different and any improvements or changes she had made since last year. So let's take a look. From Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now make sure to check out the 2019 version of the Christy Wright Goal Planner, and I know the light's kind of bright, so don't worry, we'll do a close-up of this, but I really wanted to see what was different, and my biggest complaint for the 2019 version wasn't actually the interior, which I thought was actually very good. It was that there was so many religious undertones in it, and there's nothing wrong with that, like I said, with anything religious or faith-based or divinity, but I do believe it is false advertising to call this a business boutique, yet put all this religious stuff in there and not have any of that on your channel. Now, since last year, she has incorporated more religious things, I shouldn't say on her channel, on her platform and her social media. So if you have been following her, you do get a sense that yes, there will probably be some religious undertones in here. But again, all of the packaging on the back of the box, all of the descriptions, even everything on Amazon, absolutely nothing indicated that this was going to be religious again, which she did do again. But obviously I knew that because I had looked at last year's version. So before I make any commentary, I'm just going to tell you the pricing and the shipping. So this was $44.95 on Amazon Prime, so you got it the next day. However, if you order from her directly on her site, it's more expensive. It's $49.99, but in exchange for doing that, you do get two bonuses from her. One is you get an MP3 of her book just called Business Boutique, which is really great for moms on how to balance, cooking dinner for your husband and having to do stuff for work and, spending time with the kids and things like that. And you also get a PDF of September, October, November, and December of the 2019 Business Boutique, because in theory, the one that you purchased, the 2020, doesn't start till January. So those are two nice perks, but remember, you will have to pay for shipping and you will have to pay taxes. And so for me, that just wasn't enough of an incentive. I just purchased it on Amazon because I didn't need those things, and I'm not a mom, so I wouldn't listen to the book because I did read it and skim through it already. So that's the deal with if you want to purchase this. So let's take a look inside and then we'll talk a little bit about what I thought. Here's the 2020 version of the Christy Wright Goal Planner, and it came in plastic. And again, I got it from Amazon, so I'm not sure if it comes any differently from her, but the box looks exactly the same as last year. The only thing different, it looks like, is the cover. So you can see she has a nice little retail packaging over here with the description of the box, which I think would be great if this was sold in Target. At this point, you've already purchased the box, so that's interesting. I do like this darker color. I think it looks pretty. There's a little dust on here. She still has the little corner brackets and she has the oak coil spiral. Now, this does look and feel a bit heftier than last year. So let's check it out. She has a pocket folder over here, and we have the This Planner Belongs To, and how to use this planner, and then 2020 Let's Go. And vision will inspire you, but discipline will get you there. Christy Kane. January, setting goals. So again, she's done a monthly format where it looks like each month has a different sort of focus, and she has a couple questions she's asking you. So very similar to last year. In fact, these might be the same questions. And then we have January 2020, we have the month on a 2-page spread. And again, we have the religious overtones over here. So, again, hopefully people know by now that she is Christian. Again, I think, your personal guide to getting results, Business Boutique, nothing on here tells me I'm going to get biblical quotes, which was my complaint again last year. So, again, nothing wrong with biblical quotes. I think they're great. I think, the faith, divinity, planners are amazing. I just think we should let people know that in case, especially when it says it's going to be a business planner. So these days do look very different. It looks like they have larger space to write in. Again, I guess you would just put your appointments over here. and my business, my self-care, my family. I guess if you're single, I don't know. I guess that just means you again, you and you. So we have the month in review for the end of January, and then we have February. The antidote to fear is action. Did January have a quote? Yeah, it did. So January has a quote. February has a quote. February has facing our fears. So same thing, push past your fear. Don't worry, I won't make you go through each page. So Deuteronomy, again, biblical. And we have the same sort of format where we have a 2-page weekly spread after the 2-page monthly spread. And then it looks like we have a month in review as well as the notes section. So then we go on to March, money, and it talks about making money. And over here, April, it's going to talk about staying motivated. And over here for May, it looks like we're talking about time management. And for June, it looks like we're talking about just a mid-year check-in on your goals. And so that looks like it's probably just a repeat of January. July, marketing. And over in August, we talk about taking care of you. September, we talk about getting ready for Christmas. So it looks like just getting ready for the holidays, especially if you're a mom. October, maximizing social media. So we're back to marketing. And November, serving through selling. And we're talking about mistakes in sales. So not a lot. I mean, I like that it's quick. She just kind of gives you 3 big points and that's kind of it. And then December, finishing strong. And it looks like this is just another year-end goal. So January, June with the mid-month check-in and December with the year-end goals kind of look all the same. So you're not actually, I guess, learning a new thing. And that's it. So very similar to last year. So what did you think? I actually liked the 2019 version 1,000 times better than the 2020. It's almost like, I don't want to say less effort was put in, but it's like less meaty, useful things were presented in the 2020 version versus the 2019 version of this particular planner. So it seemed a little bit more generic. There didn't seem to be as much direction as the first one had. And maybe that's because I know she's trying to sell a membership. And so maybe if you want real coaching on other items, you should join her membership instead of, and in addition to using the planner as just sort of a teaser of what you can get inside the membership. But maybe that is not the case. I'm not sure because I am not actually a member inside of her program. So if you are, maybe just let us know below what you thought, or if you think this is totally separate from those programs, or if they're meant to work together. I'm not really sure. So that's my thought. I still think this is a beautifully designed planner. You know, it's the standard O coil. It has the chipboard. It has the pocket folder. It has the corner protectors. It does feel a little bulkier than last year, which is odd because I feel like there are less pages in here. Maybe it's the new design takes up more pages. I'm not really sure. So that's it. And I did like the cover better this year. I do like this darker look with the the lighter aqua on top versus the other way around. So it's still a very pretty planner. So let me know what you think. And if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free 5-day course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. And I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.